Hey guys! So today's unbagging of the January glam bag for IPSY. Okay, so let's just get into it. I do these every month, by the way, except for last month. I did 2 months in a row because I had some stuff going on. I was kind of iffy about the bag this month, but I kind of like it. It's very sporty. Like this. It's like this mesh fabric. And like laces here. So everything's in here this time. And sometimes they have something that doesn't fit in here, so they put it in the bag. One sec. There you go. Let's see what's in here. Sorry if I'm being quiet. Me in every video, basically. Oh yeah, I was excited for like every product this month. Let's see. And this thing is Game Face. I guess they have themes every month and they always have a little card in here. So Game Face fact, you've got this whether it's running a 5K, nailing a job interview, or a consistent skin routine. Everything you need to crush your 2018 goals is already within you. Oh, thank you. Extra motivation. Blah 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 blah. And I will conquer with the little blank line to fill in the blank. So that's nice. Ooh. First thing I see is charcoal wash off mask. I'm excited to use this. I use wash off masks or face masks once a week on Sundays, so I can use this. Or before competitions. Our first competition is next week, so I'll be using this soon. And it's 15-minute facial therapy by Global Beauty Care. Unclogs pores and lift away impurities for all skin types. Deep cleansing mud-based formula. I've been wanting to use these charcoal masks and I have not gotten to it, so super nice. There's that. Next we have, I've been obsessed with eyeshadows I get from Colourpop as well, but my IPSY bags. So I love eyeshadows. I've been obsessed with eyeshadows for a good 2-3 months now. So Luna eyeshadow. Never used this company or heard of it. Let's see what this one is. Blue, and it's like this pinkish shadow. I like it. I like the color. It's like this pink color. And camera is about to run out of space. So be right back. Okay, I think I'm set now. Pink color for 2018. I think it was Kayla Nicholson that was getting all the pink stuff, and I kind of ended up liking it all. So I've invested in a lot of pink stuff. Nonetheless, let's look at, oh, it's shiny. You probably can't see it. The lighting's horrible. But I'll try to do a little swatch right there. It's very intro shimmery. You can't see it, I think. Try putting it here. It's like a little highlighter type of glow. I could use it as a highlighter, to be honest, if I didn't want it for eyeshadow, but I will be using it as eyeshadow. I'm actually wearing a Colourpop eyeshadow right now, and I love this one. It is seriously so nice. Moving on. Next is this lip product, and I do love lip products. That's like everything in this month is something I would use. Alright, that's by, I don't know, So Susan Cosmetics. Liquid matte, yes. Long liquid lipstick, yeah. And it's also this pinkish color. This is perfect. I'm gonna put it right there. Oh yes, that is nice. I think I'll be using this one quite a bit because I've been wanting a new one right now. That's the color. That was weird. That'd be nice. Next we have this nail polish. I do love nail polishes, and I've already gotten one from this brand from them. I've been getting nail polish the past 2 months actually. It's by Pretty Women and it's this bright blue color and I'm excited to use it. I already have a nail polish kind of in this color, but I don't care. Last time they gave me this brown maroonish color and I loved it, so love this one too. Pretty Women. And then next, I'll probably be using this like tomorrow. Mary Lou Manizer? Luminizer. So Manizer. Because it says AKA the Luminizer. Am I even saying that right? I don't know. I don't care. It's highlighter, shimmer, eyeshadow. Okay, so multiple things. Let's see. It's cute. It's like this little vintagey girl and I can't see it. I know, but you get the idea. It's cute. It's kind of like this brand I see at Walgreens. Ooh. I feel like I would use this as a highlighter. Yeah. Rather than, I use the pink one as eyeshadow and this as highlighter. Let's see how pigmented it is. It's nice. You can't see it, I know. It's kind of a natural. Okay, that one, come on. I'm struggling so, oh, do you see it right there? This is so awkward, like, but yeah. It's nice. It's nice glow. It's nice glow. It's under the lip gloss, if you can see it. Sometimes I think you can't see it, and when I'm editing I'm like, oh, yeah you can, but it's nice. So that's it for my 5 products. So now I'm gonna rate them from how I like them. Out of 10. 1 through 10. 10 being I like them, 1 being I hate it. I'll give it a 10. Unless I end up using it, it's like horrible quality, but I like ColourPop and that's not the best quality, so 10 out of 10. This eyeshadow, 9 out of 10. I think it deserves a 9 out of 10. This one, I just feel like it's very small, so if it's eyeshadow, I would give it a 9 out of 10. For highlighter, a 7, 8 out of 10. I don't know, I just don't like the packaging type. Like, it just seems like something like a sample size. It probably is a sample size. I don't know. It's okay. Maybe I'll use it and I'll like it better, but 8 out of 10. It's not that bad, you know. I like it. I'll use it. And then the nail polish, 10 out of 10. I like nail polishes. And the mask, 9 out of 10. I like face masks better, although these give a more cleaner feel. 9, 10 out of 10. They were all really good products, honestly. I think I like them all. And in the bag, I think I'm gonna give it 8 out of 10. It's not my favorite bag, but it's not horrible. It's something different, but they always have the same, like, some advice for me would be, obviously it doesn't matter, but I want to see more shapes. They have been having this shape for the past 4 months at least, and I know they've had it before that too. Maybe work a little bit more with the shape. You could get really creative with that, I feel. But that's about it. Those are all my products. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment stuff below, and subscribe. Bye guys.